Did you know that Meta or Facebook uses MySQL to power its infrastructure? Facebook uses MyRocks to power its infrastructure. MyRocks is MySQL with a RocksDB storage engine, and today we are looking at how does Facebook maintain a list of friends in its database. From a logical perspective, it's all pretty basic. Picture a table with 3 columns, ID1, ID2, and time. There is a primary key on the ID1 and ID2 columns and a secondary index on ID1 and time. Such a structure allows Facebook to quickly check whether ID1 is friends with ID2, as well as provide a list of X amount of friends. There's also a distributed data store called DAO that hashes the entire friend list in the backend, and although Facebook does not maintain a table for each user, Meta's database is a sharded environment. As such, each shard has a friends table for the users of that shard, so we can say that it all works on a table per X users principle. Subscribe to learn more about how databases power popular social media applications, and until next time.